讲到美国加州洛杉矶的野火是灾情真严重，真侪居民就要离开家己的家园。这厝烧起了后呢，拢是有毒的物质。当地政府是派专人去清，而且有开放部分区域，互居民登去看物件。因为有一寡民众呢是无甲因兜饲的宠物带走，这动物管制人员有去甲宠物斗饲，希望主人赶紧来甲因带走。
透过门窗，因看到猫仔看向外口，伊主人因为野火烧到隔壁，紧急撤离，毋过无将伊带走。当地动物管制官出门巡逻，发现伊家坐伫厝，马上将食物甲清气的水送入去，伊就开始食。官员搁伫门下口打通知单，希望主人用伫48点钟内带走动物。
So far, we've rescued approximately 350 animals. Luckily, there's been so many fosters that the citizens of Los Angeles came and are fostering so many of our animals. Our now our shelters has room for everyone's animals that's been affected in the fires.
无烧去的家园，也有宠物，毋过有的所在已经互野火烧甲绿苍苍。这对姐妹也穿防护衫、护目镜、防毒面壳，全副武装登到厝。虽然厝已经烧甲只剩壁，毋过支持部分地区温存居民转去。姐妹决定转来替阿嬷留落来回忆。
It's warming to my heart. It's nice to have those. They might be slightly altered, but that'll be the uniqueness of them.
互野火摧残的家园，留大量的土石甲有毒的物质。而塔迪纳镇都超过1万栋的建筑被摧毁或者是损坏。联邦紧急事件管理署表示，派工作人员穿防护衫、面壳甲手笼，伫一片绿苍苍当中找出有毒的物质，各赶紧协助清除。记者综合报道。